Hello everyone, I am Chetna Biswas and I am welcoming you all to this new YouTube channel Maths Poll, which is basically constructed to help you all who are preparing for NET, GATE, mathematics, or maybe if they are in graduation also they can consider this channel, because I will be providing proper lectures of each and every subject according to the demand in comment sections. And in my previous video, which was the introductory video, I promised that I will be giving all the books that you need. So that is why I brought this video next, because before starting with the study portion I must introduce you to the books that you must have to practice. And I have to mention that all the 12 students they can skip this part, because this video starts with the books of graduation, masters, net and gate preparation, and at the end I have added few slides for the 12 students, so they can directly skip to that part where they can see the 12th books for preparation and for board exams also. They have that slide also have books related to previous year papers collection. And from the previous video I also got few reviews that I must add my certificates of my AIR 65 and 35 rank in my next video. So that is why before going to start I will mention the certificates right in front of you, so that you can trust this channel better. So let's get started. The first certificate I have added is my statement of NET JRF December 2018, and here I am highlighting my rank, that is 65, and you can see the part A I scored 21.5 marks, in B part I scored 26.25, and in C part I scored 61.75. in total the rank was 65 and my marks was 109.5. And next up we have my GATE scorecard. In that I have to mention this is the rank. So that's it, I think. Now let's get started with the books portion. For the books portion we have, first of all, the subject is linear algebra. For linear algebra, if you are a beginner, you must go with Shom series. Why Shom series? Even not in algebra, linear algebra, or any subject of this Shom series, you can consider blindly, because they crisp your concepts. These books are so good that if you are basics are not very strong, or you are a learner, you can consider this book blindly, right? There have practice sets, even back exercise questions are so good, you can try. It is easily understandable. You won't need any teacher to teach you if you consider this book. Secondly, I am mentioning this book of matrix theory with A.R. Vasishtha. Why I am considering this? Because in this book the topics that are explained are diagonalizable, or the linear transformation, the matrix of linear transformation, then rank, diagonalizability, everything about matrices is explained in a great way in this book. And I also have added one book of linear algebra with MATLAB. Why I have mentioned this book is because this book enclosed all the codings of MATLAB related to linear and matrix algebra. So you can consider all these three books, but if you ask me, I would suggest you start with Shom series. The next up we have is this real analysis. Now this is a topic that is very important. You must know what is it, because it is the basic and very strong subject. For that, if you are a beginner, I would suggest that you try this book of NP Mapa, or you can also try the book of mathematical analysis by S.C. Malik and Savita Arora. Why I am suggesting you this? Because this book will begin from the basics. The books can be thick, but it looks bigger, but it will clarify all your concepts. Don't be afraid of the size of the books, but if you are a beginner, you should pick any one of these two books, right? Next up we have is this real analysis book and Walter Rudin Principle of Mathematical Analysis. These two books I have considered in this category because they are quite higher level. So all those who have practiced real a lot, they can go for these books. When I was in my graduation, this Introduction of Real Analysis by Robert G. Bartley and Donald R. Sherbert. This book was given to us to start are basics from real analysis. This book is very compact, but the proofs are so damn short that you need better knowledge to study this book. So do not start your real analysis with this book. Okay, these two books are quite compact, but they are a bit higher level. So if you are beginning, I would suggest that you try NP Mappa or maybe this Malik and Arora book. The next up we have in this category is complex analysis. Now this is also a topic which you should cover in your NET preparation. Direct questions are asked according to this, so that's why I have mentioned it. Again, I have picked one Sham series book of complex variable here. Even you can try these two books for preparation of complex variable. You can consider HS Khasana and this function of complex variable by JN Sharma. But if you ask me, I would suggest you start with this Sham series, because this is the best. It will explain all the topics in basics also. So I will recommend you this book. The next up we have is topology. Now this is a topic of masters, and also a lot of portion of topology comes in your NET and in the preparation of government jobs. Also I see a lot of portion of topology there. Since I was doing my graduation or my masters in Delhi University, they recommended, or the course they provide includes the book this Tej Bahadur Singh Elementary Elements of Topology, right? So I have studied my topology and started my topology with this book. I would highly recommend you all this book. But whenever I met someone outside my university, I got to know that the book of Mankas is also very good. So I bought this book, and trust me guys, both are equally helpful. You can consider any of them, and the language is very simple. You can start with your basics, and even the higher level also is given in these two books. So any book will work. I would suggest you please, any of them will work. The next up we have is graph theory. Why I am including a graph topic is because when you are able to draw a graph, it is very simple to understand functions, limit, continuity, differentiability, and for that you have to understand. If you have an equation, you can visualize the graph of this if you have a proper knowledge of graphs. So that is why this book is considered in this category, that is play with graph. Easy to read, very simple, very beginning. Also every function is explained with the help of graph. So when you know it, even you can solve many questions if you know if you have a basic knowledge of graphs. So that is why I have considered this graph book also. After that we have two books of ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. I would highly recommend you this book of MD Rai Singhania. This is the best book and contains every concept of ordinary and partial differential equation that is necessary for this course, right? For graduation, masters, or maybe NET, GATE, JRF, or that if you're preparing also, you can consider this book. This is a universal book. You can trust this book, right? The next up we have is this book as a supplement, but I would suggest that you go with this MD Rai Singhania, right? Next up we have the modern algebra book. This contemporary abstract algebra with Galilean is 100%. I would suggest you guys that you please go with this book, because when I started with algebra, I was allotted this book in my graduation, and trust me guys, this book is so good that every writer, this is the topmost in this subject and contains everything and also explains from the basics. So you definitely should know this book if you are willing to know modern algebra, ring theory, group theory. As a substitute also, I would suggest this Khanna and Bhamre book is also very good. It is quite big in size, but you can also consider this book. But I would suggest that you first cover this Galilean book, because this is amazing. Next up we have is 2D 3D geometry. I have already mentioned one book of graph theory, but here I am considering this 2D 3D geometry book, because here it will consider all the 2D graphs, 3D graphs of ellipse, parabola, ellipsoid, paraboloid, cone, cylinder, and every concept. If a 2-degree equation is given, you can identify whether it is a cone or a sphere or a cylinder and whatever it is, but you can consider this book, because I am right now studying this book and I am fan of this book now. So it is very easily understandable, anybody can crack it. Okay, so let's up when you have all the books I mentioned before, and if you study and prepare everything, then you can consider these books from DIPS Academy. This is very good. I have also studied this red one of NET JRF Pure Mathematics, since I was a student of DIPS Academy. So this book was given to us and I have studied it. It has concept wise description and then questions from previous year related to that concept. So you get all the questions at one place, and then you also have few practice sets of the total. So this is the pure applied mathematics, right? The next book is applied, is right here in front of you. So they have two parts, you can call it 2 volumes, and they also provide you the IIT JAM preparation book and one NBHM book. So that is also a good collection, you can consider this. Since the portion of my graduation masters NET GATE and preparation for government job is over, now let's come to the topic of school level. For school level, I am suggesting books like NCERT, because if you are aiming to crack only your boards, this NCERT book is more than sufficient, because they don't even change the digits of the question. As it is, questions are picked from this NCERT and then directly asked to you in your board exams. So that is why this is highly recommended. And also it doesn't even have a writer, because most of the researchers they sit along and then they decide and compile this book. So that is all in all book. If you want to know mathematics, this is something which is used as a basics to cover, right? If but you want to polish your mathematics of 12th level, you should consider the book of R.S. Agrawal. It is quite smaller also, and it has all level questions of mathematics 12th, right? So you can consider this. Also have questions, but the father of these two books I will be R.D. Sharma. This is quite big size of a book, but you can consider this book if you want to know maths better. If you want a top in class, maybe I can say, but this book is something that you must have if you are preparing for IIT, JEE or IIT, whatever it is. But if you wanna prepare for some entrance exams or something, your maths that you should have, this book is something that you must cover if you want to go on a competition, right? Let's up next we have is the collection of the previous year books that you can practice to polish your mathematics of 12th level. So I have considered 3 books here, which is Arihant and also the Disha publication, and the next one will be this M.I. Agrawal, Neeraj, Raj, Jain. So these 3 books you can consider. Even any one of these book will work. So you don't have to buy all the 3 books, just pick one, any of them. It has previous year papers, so you can solve each of them, and this book will help you a lot in practicing for your board and competitions also. So that's it guys, thank you very much for watching. Hit like, subscribe and share. All the best, have a nice day.